Hey! Hello everybody! How are we all doing on this beautiful and sunny day? At least it's sunny here. I don't know where you are. I have been on the path of growing my hair out, and I have to be honest, everything is going pretty good so far. I mean, look, my hair is so long already. Oh my god. Isn't that insane? I mean, I used to be bald, okay? And this is all the hair that I have right now. It's so long. It's so nice. Oh my god. But it's also very dead. Who would have thought that bleaching your hair 10 times is going to damage it? Look, I generally don't really care about having damaged hair. I mean, I've had damaged hair for over 10 years now. I mean, I've been bleaching my hair for so long that it just feels normal for me to have crusty hair. But since I am on a path of having long, luscious, healthy hair, I do need to cut like a little bit of my hair off because it is not so pretty. Today I'm going to try and cut my hair a little bit, a tiny bit. I'm not going to like shave it off, I'm not going to give myself a bob. I'm going to try and keep it as long as possible, but still take like the unhealthy shit out of it. My hair is so long. I really just cannot stop talking about how long my hair is because this is insane. But yeah, anyways. Hey. This is my hair. Let me show you like a 360 right now. Or like a 180. You would think that I cut like a model into it because I do have a shit ton of layers. But that's literally just the way that it grew out. I've never really cut a model into it. I mean, I have cut it a few times in the last year or so. Like I cut a little bit of the back off. I tried to cut like a little bit of these parts off because it was super dead. So I did cut it a few times. Also bangs, obviously. But I never really cut a model into it. So right now it is just basically a mismatch of like different hairstyles. Since I want my hair to be as long as possible at the end of this video, I'm not going to cut myself a bob, even though that would probably be the easiest thing for me to do. And it will get rid of a lot of the dead hair, but I'm not gonna do that. So I think the best thing for me to do is to follow a butterfly hairstyle tutorial. Because those are like very layered hairstyles, and I think that would work with my hair right now. I could also go for the wolf cut hairstyle, but I'm trying to grow like the front parts out. Because with a wolf cut you do take like a lot of hair from the front part, and I don't want that. So I think a butterfly cut would be better. And I'm pretty sure it's also a very easy hairstyle to cut because I think you only need to make like 2 ponytails and then cut those ponytails. But I'm not sure. So let me just look up a tutorial before I start attacking my hair. Let's do it.
I'm going to show you how to do the butterfly cut today. It's so easy. Let's get into it. All you're going to do first is make a straight line across your head from behind the ear to the other behind the ear. Now put a ponytail in the front of your head and make it look like a unicorn. Now we're just going to do a really high Ariana Grande style pony in the back. Boom. This should be called a unicorn cut. I don't know who messed that up. Now cut off a good amount of hair. You're not going to see the results unless you cut a lot off. I cut like 4 inches off the front and the back. And then once we let it down, you're going to see all of that really, really beautiful face framing. Now just connect the sides. I'm going to style it with some Viper smoothing oil and blow it out, and boom. Look at how much layering she has. Oh my god. This blonde looks iconic with this cut.
He cut off so much hair. I don't want to cut off that much hair. I'm literally so scared right now. But yeah, let's just get started. Also, I got some actual hair cutting scissors. Yeah! I've had these for a while now and they were only like 7 euros. So they're still not good, but they're probably better than my kitchen scissors. So also, yeah, I just got a piece of my hair off. I don't know why I did that. Okay, let's get started. So first things first, I gotta wet my hair. So let's do that. Wee, wee, wee. So this entire haircut can apparently be done with making only 2 sections, which is very exciting for me because I want to put in the least amount of effort possible. So first section, I have to make a ponytail and move it like forward. Oh, no. I've got a feeling that's like super crooked. I'm pretty sure I had to go like behind the ear, and this is like... Wait. Let me look at it again before I ruin everything. Brett, what do you have to say about it?
All you do first is make a straight line across your head from behind the ear to the other behind the ear. Now
Okay, behind the ear. From behind the ear to the other behind the ear. This is behind the ear. This is the behind the ear over here. Okay. I feel like this is like way too much hair. This looks like a lot of hair. Is that right? Okay, I'm just gonna check it in the mirror real quick because I feel like I've done like way too much. Oh yeah, boy! Oh yeah, boy! Cute. Now for the and now for the back section. And now for the back section. I gotta take everything that's left on my head and gotta put it up in a high ponytail. Oh my god, is this cute? Okay, so now I have to do the thing that I came here for, and that is cut my hair off. How much do I have to cut off? I think like... this? Is that too much? Because like I have layers that start over here. So if I cut this off, I think that would make sense then, right? Oh no. Look. It's a little bit crooked, but let me just try that again. I also kind of feel like I should cut more off, but let's first try to make this straight. On the one hand, I feel like I should take more off. But on the other hand, I feel like I should probably just look first how this is looking. Before I cut even more hair off. Because, you know, cutting it goes a lot faster than growing it out again. Oh my god, I think it actually works. Damn. Because like my hair is still super long. Well, I wouldn't call it super long, but it's still reasonably long. Like I don't feel like a lot of the length has been cut off. Which we love to see. I mean, that also does mean that the ends still feel pretty dead. Let's just do this thing. Let's just do the big boy on top. Let's try to make it a little bit straighter though. By making it straighter, I just made it more crooked. Nah, it's fine. Whatever. Whatever. This is the moment of truth. Is it gonna look good? Or am I gonna look like an idiot? Ow. Oh my god. Oh. It's so stuck in there. Let me comb it through. Oh my god, I really think that this actually worked. My hair is still so long. Does that mean that I didn't cut enough off of it? Maybe it does. Cause is there like a lot of difference right now? I can't really tell. The sides are definitely shorter. Do I have layers in the back? I mean, those aren't really that short. This one is tiny though. I do have to say that like the place where I wanted the least amount of hair cut off is the place where I got like most of the hair cut off. Because this is very short now. Shit, did I do it wrong? Well, I literally cut so much hair off of the front. I'm just gonna blow dry my hair and see what it looks like when it's dry. Hello, I blow dried my hair. I'm not gonna do it, but I really want to have like the Dyson Airwrap. Like I'm not gonna spend that much money on a fucking blow dryer. Like that is insane in my world. Like not gonna do that. But I do feel like I can really use it, because especially since my hair is so dead, I think it will be very nice if I could like blow dry it in a nice model. Because now I like blow dry it and then I have to put like a shit ton of product in it because it just looks dry and crusty. Should I buy one? No, I'm not gonna buy one. I just want to ask everybody who bought the Dyson Airwrap, do you regret it? Or are you happy that you bought it? And like, do you still use it, you know? Because I do feel like a lot of people ended up regretting their purchase. Because it's just crazy expensive. Anyways. Look at my hair. Not a whole lot has changed, obviously, because I didn't take that much off. I mean, I did take a decent amount off. Like this is like half of it that I took off. So I definitely do see like a difference. Luckily not in the length. Like I feel like it's still pretty long, but it also means that my hair is still like dead at the ends. But maybe I just have to like live with that for now. I don't know. But the layers feel a lot better because that's where like the most hair was cut off. And also this haircut is making my hair curl. Look at it. Only on this side, of course, because you know, you can't have it all. But look at it. Look. Isn't that beautiful? It's like legit curls. Like I didn't style it that way. This just happened while it was drying. So that's kind of cool. If only it was symmetrical though, that would have been a lot better. But right now maybe I just have to look like this. I have to talk to people like this. Hey, I have curls. Let me just show you the back of my hair. I mean, did it change a lot? I don't think it changed that much. Honestly, I'm not sure if you can actually see a difference. I mean, I think it's funny because this is literally like the smallest hair transformation I've ever done to myself. But I still think it works. I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. I'm just gonna look at it for like the upcoming few days and see how it's gonna sit and everything. And then I can decide after that if I have to take more off. Because yeah, it's still... the ends are still so dead. The ends of my hair have seen a lot. Like they've seen a lot. I'm not exaggerating when I say that I think that the ends of my hair have been bleached like 10 times. I mean, considering how much I've done to it, it still looks pretty nice, right? I mean, no, it's not healthy, but it's also not falling off of my head. Which is something that people have been telling me for years. Everybody says that my hair is gonna fall out eventually. But no sign of hair falling out so far. So I think I'm good. I think my hair just really wants to stay here. So yeah, this was today's video with my new hairstyle. God, I can't believe I have curls now. So cute. I love it. And by the way, like the piece at the front that I thought I like cut too short, it's actually like blending in with the rest of my hair pretty nicely. So I think that was actually like a smart decision. I think it looks better now than it did before because it just blends in all together. Oh my god, I'm a professional. Nice. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of my hair. And I want to thank you all for watching this video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.